Hi everyone! This video is going to be a portal tutorial. We will review why keeping the portal up to date is important, best practices for booking and tracking your sessions, and then we will get into the tutorial where I will show you how to track your sessions in the portal. So why is this important? We are super flexible for our program sponsors. I send them monthly reports at the beginning of each month, which outlines how many sessions have taken place and the next scheduled session date. This keeps them informed on their programs and the overall progress. They also ask for updates sporadically, so having the most up-to-date information means that I can keep our program sponsors updated in a timely fashion, which they really appreciate. It also helps me with the overall allocations in our programs. We are accountable for completions, and I need to ensure that all sessions in a program are utilized within the fiscal year so that we are compliant with our clients. We also want to ensure that all participants get a chance to participate and receive value from the program. So here are some best practices for booking and tracking your sessions. Never leave a call without having the next date locked in. Follow immediately with a formal calendar invite. Don't email and ask for a date. Just send a calendar invitation. If a participant does not respond to calendar invitations or emails, please send me an email, jessica@epiphanycoaches.com, as soon as possible. Never let a participant be inactive for more than 4 weeks before raising a flag. Have the portal open in your browser during your session, so that after your session, you can immediately log the session and the next session date. If you are unable to agree on a next session date with the client, I will show you how to log the next session as scheduling in the portal. So now let's just get right into the tutorial part of the video. When you log into the portal, you will see a page like this. From here, you will be able to click on Session Report so that you can start your reporting. On the top right here. Here you will be able to select the organization and the program that you want to track. So for this video, I'm just going to use a testing company, and here we are. Here you will be able to see all of your clients for this program and track their sessions. Start by clicking the blue plus sign here. Here you will be able to add the completion date. So click on the completion date and select the date that the session took place. Then you can add the next session date that you have scheduled, or if you don't have a session date scheduled yet, you can change the pending reason. You can change the pending reason to scheduling if you don't have anything set up yet, or there are other options here too, such as on vacation, not responding, on hold, and these are just other ways that you can keep me up to date and let me know what is happening with the client. And once you have done that, hit save. And now you can see right here that your session that took place shows up right here, and your next session shows up as scheduling. If you have settled on a date with your client, you can change scheduling, so just hit edit and then add in the new date that you will be having your session, and then hit save. And now you'll see here we have your first session that took place and then the next session. Then once this session takes place, we do it all over again. So we just hit the blue plus sign, add in the date that the session took place. So this will be the 29th under completion date. And then you add your next session date in here. And then hit save. So now you can see we have our first session date, our second session date, and then our next session date here. If your client has canceled a session with less than 48 hours notice and you are counting that session, track it as you would other sessions that took place in the portal. If your client canceled a session, but you are not counting it as a session, then you can track it right here. There's a notes section here that is for your use only. I don't see it, but you can use it to keep track of anything you want with your clients. Just note that I cannot see this, so if you do have any client concerns, you should email me directly. And then once you are done, just hit Save Changes to save all the things that you've done here. And that is about it for the portal tutorial. If you have any questions anytime, please let me know. Either give me an email or just give me a call as well. I'm happy to answer any questions anytime. And remember to just always reach out to me with any concerns regarding any participants, and I can help you out, okay? Thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon.